Trust is not a logo, not a promise, and never just a label. In global packaging, trust is built through control, discipline, and verified standards. At HAPLAST, every shipment leaving our factory carries more than products. It carries proof, proven by internationally recognized certifications. Together, these certifications and qualifications confirm HAPLAST's position as a trusted, reliable manufacturing partner for global brands. Consistency does not happen by chance. ISO 9001:2015 ensures that every step, from raw materials to final packing, follows a controlled and repeatable process. So what you approve today is exactly what you receive tomorrow, and every order after that. For food and retail packaging, safety is non-negotiable. BRCS certification confirms strict hygiene, risk control, and legal compliance, opening access to the world's most demanding markets. Meanwhile, SGS certification verifies that selected HAPLAST products are safe for direct food contact. Through laboratory testing and material evaluation, SGS ensures our packaging meets safety standards for food handling, storage, and transportation. HAPLAST compostable products are certified under OK Compost Industrial and OK Compost Home standards. These certifications confirm that our compostable bags fully biodegrade within regulated timeframes and leave no harmful residues. OK Compost Industrial applies to industrial composting facilities, while OK Compost Home verifies compostability under natural home conditions. This ensures our customers receive truly compostable packaging, not just eco-labeled products. Green Label certification recognizes products that meet environmental performance standards. For HAPLAST, this reflects our commitment to developing packaging solutions that reduce environmental impact while maintaining performance and usability. GRS certification verifies the use of recycled materials throughout our production process. It ensures traceability, responsible manufacturing practices, and compliance with environmental and social requirements. GRS supports brands pursuing sustainability goals and circular economy strategies. Trust is also about people. BSCI certification reflects HAPLAST's commitment to ethical manufacturing and responsible working conditions. It confirms compliance with international standards on labor rights, workplace safety, and employee welfare. This is how we build trust, not only with customers, but with our people. Together, these certifications form a complete system, covering quality, safety, sustainability, and social responsibility. They are not just certificates on display, they are the standards behind every packaging solution we deliver. For more information, visit haplastgroup.com, where you can find all of HAPLAST certifications.